Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the prerequisites. Make sure your account meets age and ownership rules and that you have required in-game currency. Next, fund your wallet to the precise amount shown, plus about 10% for taxes or fees. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and link any necessary platform accounts so purchases and trades can clear instantly. Also, check inventory space and any item caps. If you skip these steps, you may buy the backpack and have nowhere to store it, which wastes time. You now find the Azure Brick Backpack listing. Use the official marketplace or a trusted limited sale to avoid scams. When you buy, double-check the seller, price, and transaction details. Proceed through the in-game checkout or a protected trade window. After payment, confirm the item transfer into your inventory and accept any cooldown dialogues. Once the backpack appears, equip it immediately or move it to a secure slot so it is not accidentally sold, traded, or lost during an update or server sync. You finish by verifying that the Azure Brick Backpack is visible on your avatar and active in your loadout. Test in-game to confirm stats or appearance. If the item is missing, immediately review transaction history and pending trades, then check server status or maintenance alerts. Next, gather evidence. Screenshots, transaction ID and timestamps, and contact support with clear details. Finally, make sure auto backup or inventory recovery features are enabled so future purchases are protected. This saves time if a rollback or dispute occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.